All right, check this out. We got our food tray today. Now, this one has a little coaster in case you have drinks. And this is all bamboo, so you don't have to worry about any kind of wetness or anything spilling in here because it's all made from bamboo. It'll last you for a long time. Now, it has two handles on each side, if you guys can see that. Each handle is has a centerpieces, so you can put your controls, your phone or your tablet here. If you're going to be watching or you want to be eating and watching your tablets or your phone, or you, like I said, you can put your remotes in here. Now the back end, I'm going to show you the back. There's two sets of feet in there, right? And in order to open them, if you guys can see, these are locks, right? You open them up, each one by one here, and all you got to do is stretch them out, stretch them out, stretch them out, and then here you have an indentation in there, and that's where it goes in. It kind of digs in here. Same here on the other side. Then what you guys got to do is balance it out. Look at that, ready to go. A birthday breakfasts, lunches, or just for yourself. You're watching TV or your couch. Perfect tray to take with you. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. That's good.